Oh, it's working. Hey, we're on a bike ride. What is it called? Pine Cradle? No. What's it called? Pine Creek? Bike path. It's 62 miles?
Pine Trail.
Pine Trail? The Pine Trail. Going on a bike ride. Here near Wellsboro, Pennsylvania, by the Pennsylvania Grand Canyon. This is a 62-mile bike trail and walking trail. It's one of those real trails. We're starting right now. So we'll see what we do. We're at mile 0. We got on somewhere down a ways from it, in the middle somewhere. What was the entrance we got in at, Vic?
What?
What's the entrance?
Jarling Run.
What's it called?
Jarling Run.
Jarling Run? So we got on at a Jarling Run. There's different access points because it's so long. It's 62 miles. So there's the creek. This is, what's the name of that lake river?
That's Marsh Creek.
Marsh Creek?
It goes into Pine Creek.
It goes into Pine Creek. So this is Marsh Creek, we think. Of course, we don't know much about it. We just found it on a map. Bike path. About half hour from the campground. Ives Run. Let's see what this says here. This is a state forest. Someone here we just talked to said that they saw a mama bear with 3 baby bears. Isn't that nice? We missed them. The mama bear with baby bears. Let me go up on here. This is better. Huh. Very cool. This is beautiful here. This is Pennsylvania at the best. Tioga County, Pennsylvania. About as rural as you could get in the East Coast. Not much out here. Deer, bear, and cow farms. Dairy farms. That's about it. Today's Monday, June 19th, 2023. What's that sign say? In recognition of somebody. Oh, the CCC camp this was. Darling Run Camp. Darling. That's what this is called. Darling Run. See, they got little bike racks there and a bench you can sit down and rest. Huh. This was a CCC camp. They built this. There's the creek. There's no water in it. We've been having a drought. What's up here? This is called the Darling Run Campground. Oh, that must be like a tent. Carry in, carry out. You could tent in there. That's the way to camp in a tent, huh? Darling Run. Okay. That's where we're gonna go. Pretty cool. Pretty nice, huh, Vic? They got the trees along the route, so you got it shade. That's nice too. It's all shaded. At least here it is. So you can do this in the summertime. Right now it's not too bad. It's like mid 70s, 72, 73 degrees. Not humid, but it's a typical Pennsylvania humidity, you know, it's like dew point of 60 or something like that. Sunny, clear, there's no rain in the forecast. There's some clouds in the sky, so it's nice, refreshing. It's like a refreshing run here. We're gonna go a few miles and see what it's like. Here comes somebody. I don't know who these people are. What are these? Oh, that's a DC. Oh, that's a Forest Service. Pennsylvania Forest Service, Vic, I think. They're doing something. They might be logging up here. They do log the state forest, I think. They have contracts, I think. So here's a flatbed. It's got nothing on it though. I don't know what they're doing. Alright, well, I'm going to turn this off and I'll turn it back on when we see something. Okay, we're still going. Anyway, we made a mistake. That's not Marsh Creek, that's Pine Creek. So this is the actual river that makes the Pennsylvania Grand Canyon. Up here a ways. It goes, it's a pretty deep canyon. Gorge, what do you want to call it? Pine Creek. You can see how it dug down there all through the ages since the Ice Age. See, Ice Age did a lot to this land. It carved valleys and gorges right through the mountains. You see, it flattened the mountains too. The mountains were probably higher than this before the Ice Age. The ice went up, what, 6 miles? What do you see? Oh, they're fishing down there. Fly fishing. Yeah, this is a big fly fishing area. People fly fish here for trout. Yep. You can catch trout here in Pennsylvania, just like you do in Montana. Alright. We'll catch you later. Alright, we're in Pine Creek here on the bike path. And look what I found. There's a bridge goes across here. And there's a house there. See it? Uh-oh, Vicky's way ahead of me. I gotta catch up now. Let me catch up to her. We're at mile marker 11 on this trail. This is one of those trails. Used to be a railroad tracks. Look how beautiful this is. This is Pennsylvania, you know. This is not Montana or Colorado. People don't realize it. This part of Pennsylvania is really beautiful. Look how high those mountains go. I mean, they're not 14,000 feet, but for the East Coast, they're pretty high. See it? So I gotta catch up here. We drove 2.4 miles already on this trail. Not many people on it. Didn't see a whole lot. The bug just flew in my mouth. Here we are. See that house across the creek? So this was a railroad. They must have 2 tracks here. One here and then that one other one's down lower. See it? Where they got the road now. Yeah. That road right here. I think there's a 2 tracks route. And this is the one of them. This is the higher one. See? Look how beautiful Pennsylvania is. It's really nice. Beautiful out here. You hear the birds singing. We gotta see if we see any bear. I forgot my bear spray. So we don't have any bear spray. We should have brought some. It's in the motorhome. Bad place for it right now. There are definitely bear here. You see? And they go down to that little creek to have a drink. Like the deer. There's deer all over the place. More deer than you could count. There's probably more deer here than people. Looks like that's another camping area there. What's it say? Bear Run. No camping. Oh, no camping. There's no camping here at Bear Run. So keep biking. Alright, we'll catch you later. Okay, we're coming up to some kind of campground here on the trail. We're about, mile marker 17 or 18, somewhere around there. There's a gate here. We started at mile marker 9, I think. We're at 7.3 miles. So there's some kind of gate here. And there's also some kind of campground that's here. I don't know. But this is gated. And that says overnight parking, 1 vehicle per campsite. So there's camping right there. Oh, these are bathrooms. Oh, that's a new one they're building. Look at that. That's nice. Brand new bathroom. Wow, here's the old ones. Oh, here's the campground right here. See that? Oh, that's nice. We ought to do a stop. Want to stop?
Yeah, stop.
This is called the Tradeconton.
Look, they got things for your bike.
The town in the canyon. Huh. I never heard of this place. Wow.
Look, they got tools for your bike there.
90 Italian laborers shoveled and picked the blast away through the railroad into a steep canyon wall across from Pine Creek here. Huh. They had a little encampment here they built the railroad. The Tangenten Railroad. Huh. That's something to know. And here's a campground.
There's a map.
Oh, they got a bike repair spot here.
Yeah, they got tools that are chained up there.
Yeah, look at that. You could fix your bike. Look at that.
And on the other one, back there where we started, it had air too.
Look at that. They got every tool in the world here. They got screwdrivers, Phillips screwdrivers, hex nuts. They got everything. Donated by the Wellsboro Rotary Club. That's a good idea. Huh. Want to go down there?
Yeah.
Should I leave my bike?
You take your bike down.
Huh. Never heard of this place. I've lived out here 40 years.
Look, and here's the trail.
Oh, here's a map of the trail. The Pine Creek Rail Trail. Huh. I'm gonna hang on to that. Oh, you got one? I got one too. Alright, let's go walk down there.
Look at this.
Huh. 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 North and south. We're heading south. What's that say? Oh, there's a map.
Yeah, that's where we started,
Oh, okay.
and that's where we're at. That's it. That's all.
That's all we did so
Yeah,
far
we're
of it?
looking how
Look at how far that goes. Wow, way down to Jersey Shore. Wow, that's a hike. They said 62 miles. And we only done about, well, I got 7.4. Let's see. Oh, they got a water pump here. Look at that. A hand pump for water. Look at that. If you need some water, do a little hand do a little hand pumping, huh? Water's not tested. Uh-oh. So drink at your risk.
Oh yeah, look at the sign on it.
Yep. Look at this. This is neat. Picnic area. There's some bikers. Cool. Looks like you two are matching.
Oh, we're trying.
You match. Oh, there's some tents over there. Very cool. Who knew about this place? Huh, what's this say? There's something here written in the concrete. Population of 2. Huh. Population of 2. Here's the creek, Pine Creek. They got trout in there. That's really nice. Wow. Very cool. Alrighty. Well, I'm going to take a break here. We'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, we're heading back. We did 7.5 miles on my bike. That's what it says on the odometer. One way. So now we're heading back the other way. Now this way is a little bit uphill. You can't tell, but I think it's graded uphill here. And you can't ride your horse on this side. You got to go on the other side to ride your horse. Over there, so the horse poop goes on the road. Heading back. Now this is we're going to be using some electricity. So we did 7.5 miles out of this trail. We stopped at that little campground there. That used to be a little village. Railroad workers. Who knew? I didn't know. But this would be a good place for the fall. See these nice fall colors. Boy, I tell you, Pennsylvania's got some nice spots. We don't even camp here. I'm glad we're camping here this week. Get to see things here. You know, we got nice, beautiful areas. On the East Coast, you don't see too much of this. Let me tell you. We're at mile marker 16 on the trail. I think we started right around 9. Mile marker 9. So we're heading back the other way. Again, it's a little uphill. So I might have to go on level 2. See, this is level 2. And I'm moving. I think I'll go back down to level 1 again. Level 1's a little better. You don't want to go too fast on this gravel. If you lose control, you're going to fall down and scrape yourself. That would be no fun. And there's a waterfall up here we saw. I have to get a video of that. When we get to that spot, we can park there and see the waterfall. Hey, we're going to have to park where that waterfall is. What? The waterfall. I want to park there and see it. It's up this way. Didn't you see it when we came?
No.
Yeah, there's a waterfall there. The bikes are parked there. You didn't see it. It's up here a ways. I don't know exactly where, but you'll see the bikes parked. I haven't seen any deer or bear yet.
Or rattlesnakes.
Or rattlesnakes. Oh my gosh, there's rattlesnakes here too. So you gotta watch out for rattlesnakes. Of course, they can't jump on your bike. But there's rattlesnakes here in Pennsylvania, especially in these woods. Yep, free rattlesnakes. Alright, well, we'll catch you in a little while. You're not going to believe this, but we saw a gigantic snake on the trail. You could see, look at him. He's right straight that way. Look at him. He's gigantic. Look at this guy. Holy cow. Is that a rattlesnake? Wait a minute, I got to turn around. Hold on. Holy cow. Look at this guy. You see him? That's a big snake. He's coming across. Watch out. Look at this guy. Holy cow. I think that's a rattlesnake, Vic. Is it? I think so. Holy cow. Get away from him. Whew. He was right on the trail. My God, that's a big rattlesnake. Or something. Some kind of snake, but he's gigantic. Man, you gotta bring a gun with you. I gotta bring my gun next time. Shoot. Rattlesnakes, man, they're in season all the time. I don't know if they could Bear spray ain't gonna help that one. You need a gun. Shoot. Next time I'm bringing my gun. Alright. We'll see you later. Look at this nice view we have. Beautiful view. There's Pine Creek. Here's our trail. We just passed a big gigantic black snake. I don't know what kind of snake that was, but he scared the heck out of me. He was got to be at least 10 feet long. He was gigantic. Here's my mountains. The stream's heading the other way now, going to my back. That's the downhill. We're going uphill a little bit. Thank God for the electric bike. I would never made it otherwise. So you can even put it on second gear here, or second speed. Man alive. That is scary. Scary could be. Big black snake. Now all we gotta do is bump into a bear. That's next. That's next. You never know what you're gonna bump into out here in the woods. Here come some bikers. Looks like they got a whole family together here biking. They got a gang. There's a big black snake up there.
Okay.
How you doing? Alright, here we go. I'm gonna catch up. Here's a rest stop. Oh, now you're using your electric. You're cheating. Alright, we'll catch you later. Okay, we're coming up to this area here. I know there's a waterfall here. We drove by it on the way south. So, we're going to stop here. Look how beautiful it is. Isn't it nice? Look at that. Little rapids there. Beautiful mountains. Green. Where these people are parked, there's some waterfalls coming down. We'll stop here and take a look. We'll check it out. You can hear the stream. This is the Turkey Path. Let's see if my bike can fit in here. Uh-oh, won't fit. Park it here. It won't fall.
I think this is what it was.
Let's see. Oh, they got a storyboard about snakes. What the heck?
That wasn't it. Ooh, they got copperheads.
Copperheads, northern water snake, eastern milk snake. Maybe that's what it was. No, it was black.
Yeah, it was all black.
I don't know. Huh. I don't know. Let's go see the waterfall. There's a waterfall over here. Let's see, they got a warning. This is a steep, narrow, hazardous trail. Please be careful. See, look at, there's a waterfall there. And there's more up that way if you hike it. See? We didn't have a whole lot of rain lately, so it's kind of not pouring down, but I bet you it does. Oh, I like that. See, they got a reptile and amphibian protection area. Whatever that means. Here's all the rules and regulations. I can't read all that. The Turkey Path. And there is a creek down there. You could see the rapids. You could hear the rapids. I don't know if you could hear it in the video, but this is all about the snakes. Huh. I didn't know we had copperheads here too. The northern water snake mating. And there's one eating fish. Wow. I don't know. Watch out for these snakes. That's what I say. Alright. Well, that's one of the stops here along the path. Okay, catch you later. Okay, we're at 14.9 miles. We're getting near the end. Here's one parking lot here, the gravel one. And we're up here at the other parking lot. There's a, looks like there's some restrooms here and a picnic area. Let's see what that says. There's our parking lot right there. Oh, excuse me. Oh, eels. Oh, cool. They got eels. Tough time for eels. Wow. And mussels. Huh. Here's a railroad track. See? This used to be a railroad station, I think. Here's a gift from the past. Let me see what that says. A gift from the past. Let's see. 1750. Huh. 1650. First, oh boy, look at that. See that? Pine, hemlock, chestnut. And this must be the old train station. See, here's the train tracks. And here's another bike repair center. Oh, they got air here. See, they do have air pump. If you need air. Let's see, this is Darling Run. Train station. Closed. Oh, this information booth. So we went as far as that Tagandon, what it is, Tidangton, 7.5 miles. That's how far we went. Very nice. There's the Jeep up in the parking lot. There goes Vicky. See you later, alligator. And there's the brand new restrooms they put in this year. Pretty cool. I see that. They got air and they got repair center. This is really nice. Alright, that's it. 15 miles. We're done. We're gonna go back and barbecue.